Hi, this is retired Sergeant Steve Miller, and you are watching Planet Green Trees.
Here's Michael Komorn with more Planet Green Trees.
All right, I guess we're back. Thanks for staying with us.
Boom.
Listen to Planet Green Trees. And it is officially episode 300 and...
488.
We're calling it Unsubscribe as a Joke. Okay, so... Amanda, do we have a question from the listeners?
We do.
Anyone that's listening, thank you for listening.
The question...
We appreciate you.
Yeah.
Yes, we do. And the question is... Can you move vegetative plants in a vehicle from one house to another house, both medical?
You're allowed to transport plants, and you're allowed to move them from one point to another. But the only people that can be in the car is at issue, which is the owner of those plants. I wouldn't have somebody else drive them.
Okay.
And they are moving them from their plants are moving. They're driving from point A to point B to move them from this house to this house to set up a caregiver group, right?
That's
and
what
they're
it
veg
sounds
plants and not more than the amount of plants they're allowed to possess.
Right.
As a one-time thing, yes, they should be able to. Yes, I would not make that a habit or pattern of doing it, and there's got to be
So don't become
intention.
a plant transporter.
Yeah, don't get into the transporting plant business.
Alan,
but
do you agree or disagree?
I agree, and I'd point out that under the Medical Marijuana Act, Section 333-26423, subsection D, they say that a vehicle is an enclosed lock facility if both of the following conditions are met. One, the vehicle is being used temporarily to transport living marijuana plants from one location to another with intent to permanently retain those plants at the second location. And two, the other condition is an individual is not inside the vehicle unless he or she is either the registered qualifying patient to whom the living marijuana plants belong, or the individual designated through the departmental registration process as the primary caregiver for the registered qualifying patient.
Another way to say what Alan just said is to hear what I said, because I pretty much covered exactly that. He read the legalese to it. My advice was that, and I would say...
Don't make a habit of it.
Don't make a habit of it.
Don't pull a Ricky and grow marijuana in your car.
Permanence is important in that. Thank you, listener. That was a good question.